Hi friends, I hope you are alright and doing well in your life. In the previous video, we took a look at what exactly Erasmus Mundus Scholarship is and what's the benefits of Erasmus Mundus Scholarship, the fields available, requirements and much more. So if you haven't watched that video, I suggest to watch that video first so you may know what exactly Erasmus Mundus Scholarship is and why one should apply for it. Moving on, today we will discuss the form filling procedure of Erasmus Mundus Scholarship. So if you are new to the channel, please subscribe to it, like this video and share it with your friends.
So first of all, copy the link which I have provided in the description and paste it in your favorite browser. A page like this one will appear and you need to log in or register first. If you haven't created your account, then you need to create one first and then log in to start your application procedure. So let's start our registration. Here it's asking about the email and your personal data. The email you provide will also be your username to log in for creating application. Now I am filling out my personal data, and as soon as I fill it, I will click on the register button. So in the registration process, it will ask you about your email, and the personal data which you have to fill contains usual name, first name, last name, gender, date of birth, country of birth, place of birth, nationality and the country of citizenship. So after filling all this data, just scroll down and click register. So finally we have completed the registration process. Now it's saying that I will receive an email in a couple of minutes through this email. So I have to open that email and then create my password and proceed further to log in and then create my application. After getting registered, provide your username and password here to log in. As already mentioned, your username is same as that of your email, while you have to set your password from the email you received. Now just click the login button or press enter to continue. So the page for creating application will appear. Here you can see there are two steps for the application. The step 1 contains personal data, prior education, work experience and the course to be studied. While step 2 contains motivational letter, attachments, financial statements and confirmation. Scroll down and click on modify personal data. As you know, we have already provided the personal data during the registration process. But in case you mistyped your name or any other information, you can alter it here. Or if some of the data is missing, you must provide the data and save it. For instance, here you can see my mailing and postal address is missing. So I will provide this data and click modify. Now I will scroll it down. You can see I have modified my missing data, and here it is also asking about the telephone or mobile number. So you have to provide your mobile number here. After providing all the data, you just need to click modify here. So when you click on the modify button, it will ask you to enter the password so that it may know as if it's the person who owns this account. Now just enter your password and click on verify and then click modify again. So after verification, it will modify the data and save it. Now after providing the personal data, we will move on to the next step, that is of prior education. In this section, you need to add your previous education. So first of all, I will add my university name, and then I will add my country name, city name, the starting and ending date of my bachelor's, my degree, and my major subject, which is civil engineering. And then I will add my thesis. And then at the end we have to add the CGPA type, my CGPA, and the honors I got. After filling all the data, just click on the create button. So the data will be saved, which you can view here. In case you want to delete something, you can do it from here. And if you want to change something, then you will click on the modify button, and then you can change whatever you want to. Well friends, I have to end this video here because due to some maintenance issues, the site is unreachable. I will upload the second part of this video soon. Please subscribe to the channel so that you can stay tuned for the upcoming videos. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, take care.